Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to turn on automatically adjust camera controls Microsoft Teams on computer. So how to turn on automatically adjust camera controls Microsoft Teams on computer. Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go straight to Microsoft Teams on your computer or laptop. And this is the initial display on Microsoft Teams. To turn it on, just point the cursor to the upper right corner of the screen. Here there is a three-dot icon. And tap. Here a scrolling menu will appear. Tap the Settings menu. Now here you are in the Settings menu. Go to Devices. This is already in the Devices menu, and there are several menu options. Scroll down to the Video menu. Tap Automatically Adjust Camera Controls. If this feature is turned on, Microsoft Teams will automatically adjust the lighting, focus, and exposure of the camera without manual settings. So that's it, tutorial how to turn on automatically adjust camera controls Microsoft Teams on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.